Well, it's Monday, and we got a bunch of rain last night. I kind of got that one ditch I've been working on here, about have it about 80% finished. So I think I'm gonna take a walk down that way and see what it looks like down there at that outlet. Well, I guess really it's kind of hard to tell because the water that's in there can't get out. And this here water is flowing north, and that water over in the field is flowing south. This isn't good at all. Oh wow, yeah, here's the rain. Gotta be kidding me. Well, this was a bad idea. Ah, good grief. Well, I kind of wanted instant gratification on this job, but it looks like I'm gonna have to wait a couple days to get it, because we got way more rain than I thought we got, and we're gonna get. So just have to wait and see where the water puddles. And while we're waiting for the fields to dry up, we've got a Jeep to work on. Before I work on anything, I generally like to take it out for a test drive to see if there's any check engine lights, odd noises, or just what other things might be wrong with it other than what it's here to be fixed for. And as you can see here by these pictures, we got 3 of the 4 axle seals leaking, and we're just going to go ahead and replace all of them. So we're a couple of days removed from the 2.5 inches of rain in 12 hours, and figured it was time to get out and start checking around the field and flagging all the standing water areas so that we can start getting those drained. And as you can see, the water down in this back ditch where the main surface drain comes out, it looks like it's down at least 3+ feet. And when I got through flagging all the low spots, I decided to go over and take a look at my first ever surface drain and see how it looked. And thankfully, it's still flowing downhill. Well, now it's time to get those seals and bearings replaced on the Jeep. We'll get the gator unloaded and the trailer unhooked and get started on this and try and get it knocked out as soon as possible. But unfortunately, it doesn't end up being that way. It takes me a while, as usual. 12th, 2022. And we've got a few things going on here today. The first thing I've got to do is I've got to run up to the Jeep dealer and get some seals or some bearings. And I had to get some bearings on order so that I could do the back axles. I just, instead of pressing all those off and on, I just cut them off and put new ones on. So we've got that to do today. And we've also got to run over and check out a field that I've been working on, that I've been doing some ditcher work in to help with the water problem. Because of that, take all the help that God gives, like it is armor. Then, when the bad time comes, you will be able to stand strongly. You will not fall. After you have finished everything, you still will be standing strongly in your place.